Hey there, welcome to day 12 and let's see the question number 1. So the question is, create a Java program that highlights the differences between the interfaces and abstract classes. So we need to implement both and showcase their usage in a different scenario. Okay, so this is an interesting question where till now we have been learning interfaces and abstract classes about which does abstraction. So here we will learn about the differences between them by seeing their implementations. So the description is given. We need to write a Java program with an interface and an abstract class. Also implement a scenario where both the interface and abstract classes are used and demonstrate how they contribute to the overall functionality. There is no particular input format, but the output must be, we need to print the relevant details to explain the behavior of interfaces and abstract classes in given scenario. So the constraints are that we need to at least have one abstract class and one interface. And the output is we need to print the functionalities of whatever methods are there inside the interface and abstract class. So what is the main difference between interface and abstract class? Interface is, so both does abstraction, but so the interface can have only abstract methods, but this abstract classes which do abstraction using the abstract keyword, they can have both the abstract methods, even normal methods, that is default methods. So let us quickly create a Java file and I will explain you. So I will write the name of the Java file as abstraction, and here first we will create an interface. So interface, okay, so interface, so I will name it as, so here they told us to take a scenario, so I'm going to take the scenario of vehicle. So vehicle, so what can a vehicle do? So I will write methods void start, so vehicle can start, and another method without its implementation, void drive. Okay, so I have written two methods, one is start and another one is drive. So now I will create an abstract class. So abstract class, so here I will name the class name as car, and so this is an abstract class. So this can have both the abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. So I will write here void, so as I have written the drive already, so I will write here stop, and here I will write drive method. So again, if it is an abstract method, then we shouldn't write its implementation. And if it's a normal method, so if I write stop again, so then it can have the implementation. You can check here, there is no abstract keyword before this. So I can write here a print statement that car is stopped. Okay, so now I have created an interface and abstract class. Now I'll create another method which will implement this interface as well as extend this abstract class. So now I'll create a class called, so let me name it as student, or let me name it as Audi. I have taken an Audi class, so, and which extends the car class as well as implements the vehicle class. Now vehicle is an interface. So what is the difference between this extends and implements? So extends means extends is like is a relationship where inheritance comes in place. So this car is a parent class and this Audi is the child class of that class, which will inherit all the properties whatever the parent class is having. Whereas the implement says that this is an interface and this Audi class has all the implementation of the methods present inside the vehicle interface. So that is the main difference between the extends and implements. So now I'm going to write the implementation for all the methods. So void start, so I will print here Audi started. So you can name it as any way, but I have written here Audi, so we can quick fix. So you can see the method visibility is given. So in this way, this ID helps us in giving suggestions for us so that there are less errors. Okay, so must implement the inherited abstract class. Okay, so I will write another method which is public void stop. So here I will print that Audi stopped. So this is very simple implementation of the abstraction. And then we have void drive. So here I will print Audi. So Audi can't drive, right? Person drives Audi. And then I will write another method, public void. So only 3 methods, right? So that's it. So we have written all the 3 methods. So now it's done. So this is the main class abstraction which will have the main method. Okay. So now I'll create the child objects for this Audi class. So Audi A1 equals new Audi. Okay, so I have created an Audi car here, A1. So now I'll call the methods Audi dot, first of all the car is started, Audi dot drive, and Audi dot stop. So I've created, so I've called the object 3 methods. One is start, drive, and stop. So now let's quickly run this file and check. So firstly compile the file, abstraction.java and Java abstraction. So you can see Audi started, person drives Audi, and then Audi stopped. That's it. Simple, right? So in this way we had created an interface and then abstract class, and then we had extended and implemented both of them in another class, and then we had printed these, we had created an object for that class and called those methods, and it printed us. So this is how we create interfaces and abstract classes. That's it for this video. Do follow the 100 Days of Coding challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.